Hello my friends, it's NG World. Welcome to my channel. Friends, in that video I'm going to show you lemon and coffee will whitening your skin tone naturally and will get you rid of dark spots, black spots, pigmentation, and will get you fair, spotless and glowing skin. From first use you will notice a great results in your skin, whitening the skin tone and will get you even toned skin naturally without any side effects with all natural ingredients. But if you do have super sensitive skin, you need to make a skin test patch before you apply this remedy to your face or to your hands. Make a test patch to make sure that lemon suits you, because some people doesn't suit them the lemon, and it caused redness or any kind of itchy or any kind of problem in the skin. Just make sure that the lemon suits you, then use that remedy safely. But before we start out, my friends, it's a request. If it's the first time you see my video and the first time you see my channel, then quickly hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. That way every time I upload new remedy you will be notified to watch it. And let's start with the remedy. The first ingredient we need to add is 1 teaspoon of coffee, and here I have dark coffee. Try to use the dark coffee. I'm using dark coffee for that remedy. Add 1 teaspoon, 1 full teaspoon of ground coffee. Then we need to add on it around 1 teaspoon of aloe vera gel, like that much. Then we need 1 lemon, and we need to cut the lemon in half like so. And add on it 1 teaspoon of fresh lemon. We're not gonna add that much of lemon because we don't want to get any skin irritation. Add 1 teaspoon of lemon. Then we need vitamin E capsules, and I'm going to add 1 capsule of vitamin E on that remedy. I'm using 1000 milligram vitamin E. You can use any vitamin E available for you. It will get you the best results. If you don't have vitamin E, you can add 1 teaspoon of sweet almond oil because it contains vitamin E. Vitamin E is an ingredient that whitening the skin tone and removes the wrinkles and the fine lines naturally. Then, my friends, we need to add 1 teaspoon of rose water. Just 1 teaspoon, that much. Now we need to mix well and combine all the ingredients together. As you can tell, we got this cream paste. Our magical remedy is ready. Apply it on your skin, apply it on your face, on hands, on feet, on any body part that you want to get fair, spotless and glowing skin naturally, whitening the skin tone shades, and it can whiten the skin tone up to 4 shades. But after using it continuously, use this remedy 3 times a week to achieve the best results ever. I hope that video will help you too, my friends. Don't forget, subscribe my channel, turn on the bell icon to never miss effective remedies, leave a nice comment and give that video big like, and I will see you in my next video. I love you guys.